These are my Adderall thoughts. These are my Adderall thoughts. Afraid to write this shit for a second time, cause there's a whole lot of shit going on in my mind. Nowadays I feel like I'm so close. Last shit flopped, I went pop, okay I know. Had to go and get that on my chest, it's okay, it's in the past now. I made mistakes but I'm cool with saying them out loud. I'm tired of fronting like I'm perfect when I know I'm not. People hate me and that make me insecure a lot. Thinking back, making shit on my Mack. Never thought I'd be able to feed myself off rap. Maybe that was fate, maybe that was luck, but who give a fuck? Cause I'm not the same kid that may wish me luck. I want this shit, I need this shit, can't leave this shit, I breathe this shit. I'm doing this cause I believe in this shit. That's the reason why I can't ever quit. These my Adderall thoughts. These are my Adderall thoughts.